This is question number 7 from problem set number 4. A dealer supplies walkie-talkie set of rupees 84,000 with GST to police control room. Rate of GST is 12%. Find the amount of state and central GST. So this 84,000 already included GST amount. So we need to find out taxable value and CGST and SGST for this question. In order to do that, we need to solve this question in reverse manner. So first I'll consider X or any unknown variable for taxable value. So we can begin as let the taxable value which can be considered as TV. TV stands for taxable value. BX. So this is my taxable value. According to question, 12% discount, 12% GST is already charged on this taxable value. So we will calculate 12% GST on taxable value. Taxable value is X. So 12% on it will become 12 upon 100, that is 12x upon 100. This is taxable value. According to question, purchase price including GST is 84,000. So we know that purchase price is actually taxable value plus GST. Purchase price is 84,000. Taxable value is X. GST we calculated as 12x upon 100. So after substituting the values, we will have this expression, this mathematical equation, 84,000 equals to x plus 12x upon 100. Now we can multiply each and every term of this equation by 100. So this 84,000 will increase by 2 more 0. This x will become 100x plus, when we multiply 100 with this term, here 100 from denominator will cancel and we will left with only 12x. So 100 plus 12 will give me 112x, which is equals to 84 lakhs. Now keeping x on its place, 84 lakhs on its place, we can bring this 112 to this side and it will divide 84 lakhs. So we can write 112 in the denominator. So this way we can have x as, now 84,000 we need to 84 lakhs we need to divide by 112. So when we divide, we will get 9,000 as so we need to divide, so we can simplify this. Now we will verify which number we can take to divide this. We can divide it by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 8s are 32. 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, and then 50 in the numerator upon 28. 7 fours are 28, 7 threes are 21, like this. Now 4 ones are, and 4 sevens are 28. So here we can take 7. Then when we subtract 28 from 30, we will left with 2. We can take this 0 here. 4 fives are 20, and then we have 3 more 0 which we can add here. So x would be 75,000, which means taxable value is rupees 75,000. If taxable value is 75,000, question is to find out amount of state and central GST, that is CGST and SGST. And for that we need to find out GST amount. So GST amount is purchase price minus taxable value. So here purchase price is 84,000, which is given in our question. Taxable value is actually 75,000. So this way GST is 9,000 rupees. If GST is 9,000, then central goods and service tax should be same as state goods and service tax, and each is half of GST. So half of GST, that is half of 9,000. So CGST and SGST each is 4,500. So this is your final answer. CGST is equal with SGST, and each is 4,500. This is your solution. Hope it is clear to everybody. Question number 8 from problem set number 4A. Wholesaler purchase electric goods for the taxable amount of rupees 1,50,000. He sold it to the retailer for the taxable amount of 1,80,000. Retailer sold it to the customer for the taxable amount of rupees 2,20,000. Rate of GST is 18%. Show the computation of GST in tax invoices. So first we need to calculate GST amount. Also find payable CGST and payable SGST for wholesaler and retail. So basically we need to calculate GST amount, and after that we need to calculate CGST and SGST at every stage of transaction. And especially we need to focus on a wholesaler and retailer. So we will make two separate calculation, one for wholesaler. So for wholesaler, first we need output tax, and output tax will be calculated on the purchase price. The wholesaler purchase, sorry, sell price. So wholesalers sell the goods, electric goods, to the retailer for rupees 1,80,000. So we're going to find out output tax of wholesaler. So output tax would be 18% on 1,80,000. This is the amount at which wholesalers sold the electric goods to the retailer, that is 1,80,000. So we're going to calculate 18% on it. So this can be calculated 18,000 into 18 upon 100. So this would be 180 into 18. These two zero will cancel. So 180 into 18 will give me 32,400. This is output tax. Same way we can find out input tax of the retailer. So input tax of wholesaler is actually 18% on purchase price of the wholesaler. Purchase price of the wholesaler is 1,50,000. Here it is given. So this can be calculated as 1,50,000 into 18 upon 100, like this. So here we will get 1,500. Fif- 1,50,000 18 upon 100. So this is 1,500 into 18. So 1,500 into 18 will give me 27,000. Now GST payable by wholesaler is output tax minus input tax. So here output tax is 32,400 minus 27,000 is input tax. So we will have 5,400 as GST payable. So CGST is same as SGST, and each will be half of GST, that is 2,700. So GST payable by wholesaler is 5,400 and CGST SGST payable by wholesaler is 2,700. Same way we will calculate for retailer also. For retailer, output tax would be 18% of 2,20,000 and input tax will be same as output tax of wholesaler. So output tax of a input tax of wholesaler, that is 32,400, output tax of the wholesaler. So here we can do calculation for the retailer. For retailer, look, 32,400, this amount received by the wholesaler. from the retailer. So this is a output tax of the wholesaler, and the same amount will become input tax of the retailer. So input tax of the retailer is 32,400. Now we will calculate output tax of the retailer. So output tax of the retailer is 18% on sell amount. So output tax on the sell amount, that is 2,20,000. So here we are going to calculate 18% on 2,20,000. So this would be 2,20,000 into 18 upon 100. So we will get 2,200 into 18. So the 2,200 into 18, 39,600. So this would be 39,600. This is output tax of the retailer. So GST payable by retailer is output tax, that is 39,600 minus input tax. Input tax is 32,400, and difference would be 7,200. So CGST and SGST is 3,600. This way you can find out GST payable, GST, CGST, SGST payable by wholesaler and retailer.